Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shubhda Group of Education CC. You are watching Satish Sir's physics videos for Karnataka CET and NEET. So here is a problem on current electricity. Look at the first problem. The current flowing through a wire depends on time as I equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 5. The charge flowing through the cross section of the wire in time t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds is right. While studying the synopsis on current electricity, we have studied that the definition of electric current is the rate of change of charge per unit time dq by dt. So therefore the change in charge dq is equal to I into dt. Okay, suppose if I integrate dq, I will get q, that is equal to integration of I dt. Okay, so we need to take the lower limit and upper limit as t equal to 0 to 2 seconds. That's the reason it is 0 to 2 here. Okay, let me substitute the value for I here. Integration of 0 to 2, and I is 3t square plus 2t plus 5 into dt. Okay, into dt. So that is equal to integration of 0 to 2. Integration of 3t square is 3t cube divided by 3 plus 2t square divided by 2. Sorry, this must be, okay, I have integrating that, plus 5t with ranging from 0 to 2 here. Okay, so if I do so, how much I will get here? This is what t cube plus t square plus 5t, the ranging from 0 to 2 here. Okay, let us substitute 2 to the power of 3 is how much? 8 plus 4 plus 10 here, right? So it is going to be how much? 14 plus 8 is 22 coulombs. So that's the reason option A is the right answer for this question. Okay, so it's my immense pleasure to introduce Unacademy Plus. Okay, so in the previous video lectures I have introduced you the special classes offered by the Unacademy, correct? So they are the free lecturers, but if you take the subscription, that is what plus subscription, there will be some different benefits. Okay, the premium content at the affordable price and structured live courses plus dedicated live doubts clearing sessions will be there, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, and batches for complete preparation, and test series for DPPs, full length mocks, as well as etc. with the analysis, and single subscription for the unlimited access. You can access VCMB, all 4 subjects you can access here. Okay, if you use the code Satish 2021, you will definitely get 10% off on the course fees. Okay, so here is the best plans for Karnataka CET 2021, that is 12 months plan for 12,375 rupees and 6 months plan for 10,125 rupees. Okay, you have to use the code Satish 2021 to get the 10% offer or 10% off on the course fees. Okay, there will be the top educators who are training you people. Okay, so this is what champions batch for Karnataka CET 2021. Okay, so learn from best educators for 2021 KCET 2021. There will be detailed explanation of each topic for better understanding, the complete syllabus coverage, and tips and tricks to save time and score better in examinations. Okay, the course has already started. Please try to join this course as soon as possible. You have to use the code Satish 2021 to get 10% off on the course fees. Okay, here is next problem. When 5 volt potential difference is applied across a wire of length 0.1 meter, the drift speed of the electrons is 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter per second. Okay, so if the electron density in the wire is 8 into 10 to the power of 28 per cubic meter, the resistivity of the material is close to. Clear? As you know that definition of current is I equal to NEA VD. Correct? VD is the drift velocity that I already know about. Okay, by using Ohm's law, I is equal to, we can write V divided by R, that is equal to NEA into VD. Correct? So now instead of R I can write rho into L divided by A, that is what equal to NEA VD. Clear? So now what will I get here? I need to get the value of rho, right? I need to get the value of rho. It implies rho is equal to V divided by how much it is? V divided by I into N into E into VD, correct? So now V is known, and the current, have the given current So it is not current I, it is a length L, LNEAVD, right? Length is given, number of electrons, the number of density is given, E is the charge on the electron, and VD is also given. They are moving at the speed of 2.5 × 10⁻⁴ meter per second. Substitute the appropriate values. You will get rho as how much? It is nearly equal to 1.5625 into 10⁻⁻5 ohm meter you will get. Okay, so this is nearly equal to 1.6 into 10⁻⁻5 ohm meter. So that's the reason why option D is the right answer for this question. Okay, so I will upload a lot of videos on current electricity as well. Please do watch them as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Thank you.